Hey guys, Kelly of Yu-Gi-Oh! Cosplay here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've got another tutorial for you guys today. Today I'm going to show you how I do applique with faux leather. So this is showing you how to do applique without having to pin anything, because obviously we don't want to stick pins in faux leather. So I hope this tutorial will help you guys out some, and let's get right into it.
The first thing you're going to need is your pattern. This is the base pattern for the edge of a sleeve, and I've gone ahead and drawn out the applique pieces on it. I've also made individual patterns for each of these. You're going to need your base fabric. I'm using the gold pleather from Yaya Han of the Cosplay Fabrics line that you can get at Joann's. We need some scissors and a Sharpie. You're going to take those individual pattern pieces for the applique, and we're going to trace them on the back of the gold pleather. I've gone ahead and mirrored them and numbered them all to make sure I have the appropriate pieces. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cut all of these out of the gold pleather. Once you have everything cut out, we're going to start adhering this to the fabric. So we're going to need a paper towel and some spray and bond basting adhesive. So the first step is we're going to take the spray and bond and spray the paper towel itself to create a slightly tacky surface. The spray and bond adhesive is very easy to clean off of the leather if you get any on it. Then we're going to take the first piece, stick it down on the tacky surface of the paper towel, and spray it with the adhesive. You obviously want to use a paper towel to protect your working surface. Next, I'm going to line the piece up with my pattern that I have there and press it down on the gold pleather. Once that's done, I'm going to repeat the process with the next piece of the applique. Now I'm only going to do 2 pieces at a time when I do this applique, because I want to make sure that I don't have pieces coming loose with from the fabric, because this basting adhesive is not permanent. So I would usually do 2 pieces at a time, sometimes even only 1, depending on the complexity of the applique piece. Once we've got it all lined up, we press that one down again, and then we're ready to head off to the sewing machine. You're going to need to make sure you're using a Teflon foot with your sewing machine. This makes sure that the gold pleather won't snag underneath of the foot. Then we're going to just go ahead and stitch it all down. The basting adhesive doesn't stick to the needle or create any issues when you sew right through it. All right, and there's the first 2 pieces stitched down. And here's what the finished piece will look like.
Alright guys, and that's it for this tutorial video. I hope that the information in this video will help you out with any of your future projects. If you have any questions at all, please leave those in the comments down below and I'll be sure to answer them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more cosplay tutorial content. Make sure to check out my social medias, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!